I got sad news today, and I cried. I try to figure out just why. Heaven knows I tried. He was just a child of innocence, taken from us, it made no sense. And they say the time will heal the pain, but things will never be the same. I will never understand. They say it's all in God's own hands, and I know He's up where angels fly, a bright star in the sky. He always made us smile when He danced. We won't forget His smile, not a chance. Now there's